809. Good morning, Scobie.
Benjani live Grootman.
Nice, eh?
Ayi ngikukhumbula mongeke enyathethisa mongeke.
Really?
Bangitreat ngathi ngumntana adoptiwe like angiphatheki kahle mongeke.
Oh my word.
Ufuna ukudlulisa na ukuthi nambalali bazi ukuthi angiphatheki kahle. Khumutso.
I know it's Khumutso. I
Khumutso
knew
angiphathi sharp.
Yeah, I knew it.
Khumutso angiphathi sharp. Enizobe kuyibirthday yakhe and expect ukuthi mina mhlawumbe fanele ngigqume ke ngithi hey hayi asikho right Khumutso.
Wayesengekho right mina nawe sikho?
No, first of all awusila yini yami nje yomuntu.
Unomanga mina nawe ziyibitch. Awuka mama kangaka.
Ngizele icaca mina nawe sikukula ini1 unento zakho zama traffic like uwe unofaka amakwayikwayi ngolosithathu
Namanje.
Umake from 11 emini ekseni awusitype yami.
Awu namanga.
Uthini?
La suku ngithitha kabuhlungu kanjani?
Uthini wenze nqimo kwayi?
Yeah, ngoba nofama kwayi wenze ngo2 emini quite. And ahakubisa kabuhlungu.
No ways.
Ringomo.
Ngibizwe ngalinye igama last week brother bonke.
Seriously?
Bathi akekho babakho kuphela ukuphapha bathi ubabami wena. Akekho babakho. Kube khona umngane wakho makufalene. Akekho babakho ke phapha sibona ngathi so mangakho ubhobinye kunje. So lento ngizenza nangizenza. Mangabe ubhobha akekho angizwakali. Hlala labangani bakho abakhuluma isiLungu. Hayi bazongilava. Uzongibamba la ngini.
Happy birthday to Bumi.
Uthi?
No, someone said I must say happy birthday to them and you're busy talking nonsense.
No designer.
I enjoyed my leave. It was nice. I did nothing.
Shooting. Now, when you busy interview about Dennis, when shoot, I didn't have an interview on the show.
What?
On the show.
You live here.
So shooting, look. That's what. If I never saw him, like, how umtanami ho? Why can I go pay my umtanami? And my say, "Lomzala wa khoni yamazi yadako and akaba challenge ngenza ngathi." So ngisathi, "Hi mama ninjani?" Wow, ngikhumbule. Akangikhumbula ngani sizofuna imali eBia lo.
Sakuvula ikist.
Haya yazi bafuza itiye ngalamakhomo yazi namakhulu
Ama China.
azikho abekho abantu bangidina njengalaba abantu bavakashile bathithwa ngathi
Exactly. Yeah.
but khumbuza uthi mad uhleli abantu bavakashile umuntu bavakashile laba bafeka nje
We'd never fail.
phakela abantu
Yeah.
bese laba kokwamthanda lokuvakashela abafundisi labafundisi ngicela bekele ugokwami ukuthi umkhulu amushonile koJuda bedladla hayi kokwami hot bafethi manje kancane indlela
Ngiyamazi gogo.
no my grandmother is hot awusangelo baba hey mahlophe ninjani anakazi ukuthi ngikhona ngithi akubona ukucheck karama ngeke bathi akekho kanti intwana yami ngidrop off ngibhizi ngihlelo kokwami siyabonda ngizena scope kokwami thanda inyama ngizena scope ngibhizi ngiyasicope ngizanga hey mahlophe umfundisi ngithi awungimamele ukuthi le barricade la izothini kokwami ugokwami umamdala unokhohle ukuthi ngikhona uza hey mangena lo baba sathi disappointed yangibona hey ninjani ntotana mangena siya mahlophe kokwami hey sakubona mina hey ninjani ntotana ngithi ngikhona ngisakubona inkonzo ngithi angaze ngeza sikusiza ngani baba hayi nje bengidlula nje nginje khwapha kokukhuluma khwapha ahambe ke mara bombutha akekho right uphethe neplastic nyana
Blockela ugogo.
hayi blockang
That's really blocking. I'm not be honest.
and lo mfundisi uphethe nipinyana neponti nyana ngijoba bekunegigi la 10 case mina bona badlala amasaga hambe kabuhlungu la mfundisi asikho right namanje lapha khona uyazi ukuthi naye
So I am vele.
one
You just sit
I
there.
sat there 3 hours kokwami house khumbuze nemasikho amasafuna ukuxoxa naye hey wasivakashela ke la hey wavakasha uyazi ukuthi into ziyabheda bese bakubiza igama la kamama wavakasha ke mntana kaQueen namhlanje hayi wahlala yazi wasitshala esofeni lami wasitshala wabe sihlahla yazi wahlala waze walala sikhumbuzo unendlo ngiphuma hambani ngathi angindawo until kufika umama la angivaye ngoba umama yamaza mama kaSpy la mfundisi asikho right namanje mina
Seriously?
yeah asikho sharp
Was he at Grace? No,
Wow.
I'm just asking.
Abantu ba unnatural.
lo Baba, Maracusan Lobo.
I'm just asking, guys.
Yeah, so Grace.
So spicy.
Okay.
I was a Grace, Abatandi Lia type, Mara, Batanda.
Maliab. Again.
Really? Angizwe into mina. Mangena bathi naba abanye baphapayo. Iphaphani ingenile ke manje. Ingene iphaphani ke manje. Angathola sathelo ngesacrament. Andala bravo. What a week bravo. What a week. Beyond to preg.
Momo.
Oh, sorry kancane bravo. Ayikaba mfethu.
Ayikabi.
Ngiyazi una behind him.
Yebo.
Angidala labo mina bravo.
Then it's you and I, then we fight.
Look, why lento ka Beyonce into enkulu kangaka ngathi like saqala ukubona umuntu break.
Kaloku
Uyathandwa.
Manje hey umshoza wamitha. Umshoza wamitha ayikayi one. Amithi umshoza washintsha. Nathula ngathi nini. Kele khumalo wamitha uthola umntwana. Ofaka amandla what did you Oh my word. Beyonce ngisakamisha ukuthiwa I can't believe yabo khumuzi I can't believe ngizoba auntie
osutha babadala ukhumutso.
Auntie kabani? Auntie kabani? Ngeke usone nokusondela kulabantwana.
What green? Green and yellow.
Niphila manga. And even document yazi ekazi ne yazi mangamithi ekazi. Let brother cabanga nje ushadile mina kithi hey love let's go to frayela amaqanda ekitchen. Okay. Yazi ngithi nyaka doctor ngithi ngiyozicheck hayi ke bathi ngimithi uzwa Ngade nama twins. Uziyathela kushinithi. Wo. Masiliso wawungicabangile ola. Why selfish? Kumanje angina 350 yokugibela the whole week. Umithi wena. And nama twins I 1 2. Angitshela ebamba ithula abantwana. No, akhulunywe ngalabantwana no mafisana. uBeyonce uzonini uThumile?
For sure kudala khana ishare nje nathi.
Angitshele khomuthu wena u 2 weeks pregnant into phapha yona. So fakela lama home pregnancy sense I can't believe. I'm gonna be a mom. Bese bano baba khona ningena phi abana. Nikhula indawo zenu uBeyonce right. uBeyonce ushadile. Yazi uBeyonce into zakhe zaziranela. Ushadile unomntana ozothola abantwana bazoba right. Abantwana bakhe babe nezimpumulo ezinkulu. Bafana nobababo. Ubababo phela uyiphethe oxygen. Hayi la baba uyiphethe oxygen. Nomntwana le mntwana kuli econ.
Awuzochinja kodwa nana.
Ifeni. Mabona uBeyonce lo wase stage ine lezilokhu zenza kanje. uJay-Z umela phambili. Earlier on when ngikhuluma ngale coach yaseGhana oban over Grant and say utheni Quish. And yambona ngathi labo malume abanama drip ukabona umalume wakhe esibhedlela afaka idrip bona umuntu malume ngeke asaphila. Have you seen Imran Grant from Chelsea to Ghana? There's a huge difference. Inyama zakhe seziyaleka ngithi. Ufashela umalume wakhe esibhedlela afaka idrip lokuthi malume athi mshana nyaphola. Urucabanga kanjani enenhliziyo uthi wena malume so la one bar vele one bar noma ngangilahla kunento ayazi ngami nomunye umfazi ePitori hey wena hamba once
Remember,
Stunning shoes.
You know, there's karma has a way of just paying you back as a woman.
it can be a female dog.
Yeah. Listen, no, I'll take it as a woman. It will pay you back. Can you imagine Khomotso being a mother to a girl?
Yeah. That
And
would be
then-
beautiful karma. That would be stunning.
Exactly. So now here we are. Hence the hashtag Dear Baby Girl.
Dear baby girl.
This is you, mother, talking to your daughter
Aha.
on some bona Gunji.
Yeah.
And Reddy Club is coming in for my top 10.
All right. You always got to come back home.
angakona ukuthi mhlambe le dear baby girl sifaka mhlambe 2 cents opinion yethu. Na ngifuna usho something ngumntanami dear baby girl ungafani nogogo wakho.
What?
bese ngishiya lapha athi why ngithi uzozibonela uke waye emathuneni wala abantu bakudala bashonile babangcwaba neindishi mnawathi uke waye emathuneni akazi mina bro or ngcwatshwa nina kanti kuni cremation angeke yenzeka right thina uyamncwaba umuntu mhlambe bekathanda umoba like sugar cane bayifake emathuneni akhe yakutshela bravo mhlawumbe umuntu bekayiphuzela wa3 engudu zivaliwe why senza so emathuneni why amathuna asahlonipha amathuna mhlawumbe ugogo kwabe kuyinyanga isangoma ithuna lakhe selinekhamba nempepho uhambile ngapha ngicwaba ngapha kunomunye ongabe uyakhala ethuneni uthi gogwana antibi kuri ninifuna yini mina ngambukela uPenipeni ayikabe bethu uPenipeni
Yes. What happened there?
Brother, uyitsonga khona yami. Kwenzakalani ngani? Like it's I know reality. I know what reality is. Lapha na kuya act vele bamtshela ukuthi enzini lo baba. uPenipeni uyicancel bafuna ukumxosha vele yabo akafuna ukuhamba yena. So uyakuphela ufaka isuthu kokuqala. Wayafaka isuthu. Uyakuphela nemoto. Uyakuphela nesuthu lapha bafaka amadasi khona athi ya anintibi ninifuna yini. Okay, ngona mresign yakazo yasibona nemali unokukwatela ngona mresign ke. Hayi minga resign. Minga resign akwati athatha umntana athi for the first time umntana akhe khana ezulu. No, mina I found that very disturbing. Umntana akaPenipeni khana msezulu eGiyani.
How old?
Unobama 7 8.
Sure.
Lalela bro, ikingamile yazu. No man, no bafethu. Yazi iprepare zu prepare mentally mawungena. Mawungena abantwana babona ama sweetie bese babona ama flamingos. So umqondo wakho yabona umqondo kwenzani uyabuild up yayehla ubona indlovu slow ngeke yenze nini sihamba kancane. Umntwana uyaqala uyajabula before uyohlangana nemfene namabhubesi already sobone boma 12 year one.
Yes.
Hayi again. Ngeka papa pen. Uthi uvula umnyango nje kusekunenyawo umntwana uvula umnyango hey kasithinti lesi sina poison izo yasekiyani nje I prepare yakuthuza and ayina imfene ngithi imfene basijwayele kasi vele hayi utokela ikobra uhlangabeza ikobra that's the first animal you see. Oh man. When I come to like khona kathukanga kanti akayijwayelanga la papa yile la teko sithinti lesi. Sina poison sina abayivalelanga inyoka yakhona ikijini. Iyazula nje. But izuru bafuna committee suicide lapha na. uPenipeni uyakuphela basezulu abantu basezulu bamvulela umnyango bamphushela phakathi bavala umnyango. Samangena bathi hey good luck papa ndli. Good luck papa la wakhe bavala umnyango mntana. Imene yaPenipeni ithukile imehlahleni. Yehla lapho. Serious uthungena iCobra uyazi iCobra ukuthi lalela Joe yazi Pitori prepared ubona iflamingo yazi flamingo ithusi kanjani inenyawo ezindi sexy nyana
Momo
ubona igiraffe uqinizela lokuthi cherry isa cherry Giyane uthungena emalamlele zuzwa
All right then. Scuba, have you seen this area as you Paul?
No, it's the.
We're going to put it on. We're going to put the audio on YouTube now with our producer because you know it's nice.
Then I got a problem on advert. I have two problems on advert TV when black people have to dance. One, they don't understand it, or they have to sing. Angizwa. Mara lama advert kata Hugh.
Ankawaboni.
Uhlala pheje prampit angazi for in. No, serious. It's like uthi uthi a fresh you want to do an ad but uzina ma turntable for in. so lapho fresh it's the big dog mara phethe ama tentable ayispan ayisebenzi uBrahim nomandla speaking uthi Brahim una le life cover uSimandla speaking hey ke robala mnathi blind who do you know wena and mina nansiyazi umandla speaking akana life cover umandla speaking uGrand noma angabhara sizomncwabo mindlozi out yethu ke robala mnathi blind
Oh, shame, man.
so that's like okay una le life cover uphethe from bit 4 in why wenza solo baba lo
I don't know. But it's quite interesting, though.
no like you bro just close the sense advert it's okay but uzena bonke abantwana bakho de for hey it's pop pen nathi doesn't make sense it doesn't really make sense masayithola riding masayithola da nginendlala mayithola bana
Okay. I think we got it. Let's try and see.
Data speaking. Kubra like a instant groceries benefit.
Sure. Can it be added to all the members I cover?
Yes, plus groceries benefit. Maruka spanisa enyani more electricity, airtime, and transport.
Hey, you're blind.
Only one tiger per person per month on their funeral plan. One tiger. That's Asupo. SMS yes to 32813.
why athi ngacover umuntu ufaka netrompisi ukacover everywhere ukakenya le trompisi libe mnati la
Oh, yeah.
dlaliyo ngospeaker asishayisele bezamini ukhuluma uthi amasasa benzani.
No, I heard that SASSA's not organized and people not getting their money, which is so annoying and infuriating because, I mean, what is the problem? Surely they know what to do. They must just get on with it.
Gule. Ngicela ungasifaki lento zesasa. Lalela la. Ungafuna ukucela i-track ngente idom. Bathi abatholi imali bona.
As.
Phela ngithi government ibafakele emabhenki. Baneyikoloto. Banama debit order hayi kodwa abayitholanga. Banama debit order bona already manje.
All right. So they're fine.
Ba right.
So imali itsaliwe.
Kule imali yatsala kule country. Hayi into edina njenge debit order.
No, it's a good thing though.
Ngeyi-1 ukahlala ngeyi-1. Lokungena mase avela ngena be9 abe wonke and when right name inhleke ngiyatshela lapha no lo weekend sizoba right uzwa yazi ngicabanga kule ndaba weekend sicancel once sele ngabo ma 1.4
Isa.
mali life cover give not blind why ngizolela umqondo nami ngisakhona ukucabanga grand
I saw it. It's something else.
what wenzani
Let's try it. It was on Twitter.
and then
It was, there it is. Okay, great.
why bro
Uthathe la cover.
Global, I'm not blind.
Nasino matata ne.
Ka speed fell.
No wacava. Uka hlokofala omung in your family, you will get 50,000 rands.
ucabanga ukuthi le 50,000 yenzani ngayo wena
Also 50,000 rands.
Wow.
Do you pay a lot for such a big cover?
A little for a good sleep and now enjoy.
And the service?
It top towards in a blind.
SMS ashes to 32813.
SMS issues
Oh, gosh.
issues
Shame, man.
yazi abantu abashela bathathwa serious kababela ngicabanga SMS ashes to ashes
All right, what are you up to this weekend? Come here.
I mean I'm relax the weekend I shoot the whole week I've been
All
shooting from Monday I'm on TV on Thursday yeah my brand new show is
Oh, this Thursday.
This Thursday. That's your debut. All
yeah,
right.
Thursday 9th of February SAPC 1:7 name of the show is Throwback Thursday hosted by yours truly it's Kumba man
Are you going to have, who you going to have there? Shaka Sul.
let's just say we're gonna 10 TVs ngathi siyenzile khoneni that's just that
Oh, okay. All
Shaka
right.
Zulu uzosinika imali zethu
Stop obsessing, guys. There are other people.
una something ayitholile no
1 million.
Guys, thank you very much for joining us. Kuli Roberts, have a great weekend. Remember to be safe and look after each other and spread love.
Thank you very much for hanging out. Have a fantastic weekend, everyone.
dala lo mkhulu obhizinisi kokwama ume kancane ukokwami mdala man